save our work here. So Control S, go into here and just call this is a air manufacturing 3.25 inch. There we go. Actually, yeah, I'm realizing I should probably rename that to wheel underscore air manufacturing. It'll be easier to find later in a big folder full of stock parts. At least all the wheels will be together, whether they're built by air manufacturing or not while you're scrolling. So we can just go in here. If we could, either we could save as and create a new part, then delete the old one. Can just use, SolidWorks has for us a rename feature in the Explorer, so rename this here. Okay, so I've just got to close it here first. Then rename. There, that's done. Can open it again. And that's all the more important when you have assemblies, is to, 'cause then you have parts referring to each other, so you want to make sure to not just rename, especially not just rename the file in here. If I just went in here and renamed, that won't take care of things as cleanly as the SolidWorks tool, because the SolidWorks tool, if there are assemblies being referred to or parts being referred to in an assembly, it will update as many references as it can downstream. The upstream ones, you might have to go find your renamed part again when you open that assembly, but this SolidWorks tool will rename cleanly for you.